stand, a broken hero in a wasteland. No more battles, no more pain, just echoes of a life in vain.